So same as previous labs, we're going to be using the MicroLab software to help us gauge the temperature change of our chemical reaction. First, we're going to weigh out the mass of the calorimeter, make sure it gets recorded. Then we're going to go ahead and add, as close as we can, 0.9 grams of calcium carbonate. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure you get around 0.9 grams. Then we're going to go ahead and get some DI water. This is going to be the aqueous medium that our chemical reaction takes place in. Go ahead and pipette 5 mils of the DI water into a graduated cylinder. Remember to get down low to see where the meniscus falls along the graduations on the graduated cylinder. Once we have 5 mils, we're going to go ahead and pour it in to our calorimeter with our calcium carbonate. We're going to swirl it. You really want to make sure that all the calcium carbonate dissolves thoroughly in the DI water. This will help the two components to react with each other. Next, we're going to put 20 milliliters of our 1 molar hydrochloric acid into a graduated cylinder. This is the second component that's going to react with the calcium carbonate. Remember, we're only reacting hydrochloric acid with the calcium carbonate in this reaction. The probe has been in the calorimeter for some time now, so the temperature is equilibrated. Before you pour in the second component, make sure you click Start on the software. Same as before, this starts tracking the initial temperature of the solution before the second component is added. Right now I'm getting ready to add the second component. I apologize about the camera angle here. You will see some fizzing as the two components react. Once the two components have been added together, the reaction begins to take place, and it's hard to tell from this video, but you will see a rise in temperature as the reaction releases heat, which the probe detects. This is going to help us figure out what our T final is and our delta T of the reaction is. After the reaction is completed, we will reweigh the calorimeter to determine the total mass of the solution.